Origin of music. Music began long before instruments, stages, or recordings. In the earliest days of humanity, people discovered rhythm in the sound of footsteps, heartbeat, wind, rain, and the beating of sticks against stone. Those simple sounds became the first music. Over time, different cultures shaped these rhythms into songs, chants, and melodies. Drums, flutes, and stringed instruments appeared, and music slowly grew more complex. From those ancient beginnings, every genre we know today was born, whether it is classical, jazz, rock, folk, hip-hop, or electronic music. Each style carries a small piece of those original rhythms humans created thousands of years ago. Music never truly starts from nothing. It evolves, transforms, and blends with new ideas, but its roots always remain connected to the very first sounds people made together. From the first beat of a drum to the music we hear today, the story is the same. Music has always been part of humanity, and every genre is simply another chapter in the same timeless rhythm.